Video number 8, we are going to assign the loads. So loads basically we are having two types of loads. One is dead load of the entire structure that will be taken care by the software. Second one is the uh, moving load that also we have assigned by doing the vehicular by defining the vehicular loads type of vehicles. So that is second one. The third one is the uniformly distributed load. There is nothing but your asphalt or wearing coat. So that wearing coat, this uniform distributed load we are going to add. Okay. So you go for bridge, you go for loads, you go for area loads. So here you can able to select the different load patterns. Okay. So if no load patterns are there, you can able to add it. Okay. You can just click on this. Here as you told us, dead load, wearing coat, and truck load. So three types of loads we are already defined here. So before you add the load, in particular this loads area load, here you need to define the load first. You go for loads and you select the type of the load you need to define. So area load, and you define new area load. So here you select this as the wearing, okay, wearing coat is gravity, okay. So load type force, value. So value here it is, if you see the density of the wearing coat, you can take 22 kN per meter cube, and thickness is given as 80 mm. So 80 mm means 80 divided by, convert to meter, 0.08 meter into 22. So it will come 1.176 kN per meter square. You just give this, okay. So press OK. So once you define your wearing code, then you go for bridge and you go for loads, area load, then you add. So you see now it will be activated. Add new load, wearing code, station 0, and then station it is, you can take 16 meter. Okay, there will be no variation. You press OK, and load pattern you change to wearing code. Okay, wearing code, load distribution, wearing code, press OK. So once it is you applied, you just see whether the load is applied or not. So you go for home and you click for this show bridge loads. Okay, there you see this wearing coat. Okay, you just press OK. So if you see the wearing coat, the load has been applied, but it has been applied only for this or the end station. So here we are going to assign for the entire thing. So okay, just refresh that line load options. We are going to get this. Okay. So next you assign the we'll start initiating the analysis stage. Go for analysis. You select the what is the type of the load. You see there are so many types of loads are there here. So before that you should be able to see, so what type of load patterns you should be able to define here. You see automatically some load case already defined based on the definition of load patterns. Okay, but here moving load is not there, and you go for add new load cases. Okay, you select moving load. Okay, so here you select moving load. So then you go for vehicle class. We already defined vehicle class is vehicle 1. Okay, add this one. So for anything, if you want to change this scale factor specifically, you can change this. So otherwise you can just press OK. So press OK. So if you want to design anything, you can go for this design, and you can press this one, and you go for here. So two types of designs. One is serviceability, and next one is limit state of collapse 2 condition. Service loads, you can go for this dead load. Add is linear static one dead load and wearing code. Okay. So except moving load, you can able to add for the design combination, that is this vertical load combination. You can include this truck moving load also. Okay, you can include the moving load also. Hey Diksha, ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಪ್ಪ. Press okay. So if you want, you can define the load limit state of collapse also. Okay, that it depends. You just refer the particular IRC code, you add more design load combinations also. So that is the end of this session.